Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn about division by 11. So let us take any three digit number 2, 4, 8 divided by 11. Two type of number I discuss, and reverse will take 8, 4, 2 divided by 11. First step, what you have to do, you have to separate all the digits separated here also. And the next one, what you have to do, you have to check always the next digit is greater than the previous digit or not. That means 2 next is 4, 4 must be greater than 2. Otherwise here 8 is greater than 4. That means the next digit is smaller. Then you have to make it bigger by taking 1 from the previous place. So here you can see 4 is greater than 2. So next step, what you have to do, 2 directly you have to write here. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now you have to compare this number. You have to compare this digit with this. Now 8 is greater than 2. So what you have to do? Next time 8 minus 2 you have to do, that is 6. And remember, this one is the remainder. The last one is the remainder. Two type of solution I will tell you, and one is approximate one and another is exact one. So simply here we got 3 digit 2226. So simply you can put the 0, only one digit you have to keep after decimal. 22.6, it is the approximate value. This is also right. This is the approximate value. Otherwise you can multiply 9 with the remainder 6. Here the remainder is 6. You can multiply 9 with the remainder. First 2 digits you have to write 22, and 6 into 9, that is 54. And if you are doing multiplication with the remainder, then you have to put what over this. Means after decimal point 22.6 into 9, 54, and above 54 you have to put bar h, because it will not terminate. Division by 11, that is non-terminating decimal will come. Okay, so this is the exact answer, 22.54, the exact answer. Otherwise simply last digit you have to keep after decimal. That means the remainder should be after decimal. So that is also correct. That is approximate value, and that will be considered as the right answer also. So you can follow this one also, this one also. Now second type of number, where the next digits are always less than the previous digit. That means 8 next is 4, 4 is less than 8. In this case, what you have to do? As because what we have separated here, then second digit minus first digit, and thereafter 4 minus 2, 2 came. So 2 will be subtracted from the third digit. That means second will be the result of the difference of the second will be subtracted from the third. So what we have to do first? Second minus first we have to do. So 4 minus 8 is not possible. Now what I have to do? I have to donate 1. Means I have to give 1, that so that this 4 will change to 14. That means from 8 I will take 1, so that this 4 will become 14, and this 8 turn to 7 is because we have given 1 to the next place. Okay, so 8 will turn to 7 and this 4 will turn to 14. Now you can see 14 minus 7, it is possible. We can do subtraction. So 14 minus 7 is 7. Now what I told to you, that you have to compare this digit and the third one. The result which I got in the second place and the third digit I have to compare. What I got? I got 7 here. 7 is greater than 2. That means 2 minus 7 not possible. Again what I have to do? Again I have to give 1 to the third place. That means this 7 will turn to 6 and this 2 will turn to 12. That's because I have to give 1. Now 12 minus 6 is possible. So 12 minus 6, that is 6. So now I am having 3 digits. How many digits I am having? 3 digits. Only the end digit you have to consider. That means 766. 766. So what I told to you, if you go for approximate value, only the last digit, that means the remainder What is the remainder here? 6 is the remainder here. That means the last one. 6 is the remainder here. Only the remainder you have to keep after decimal. If you are going, if you want approximate value and if you want exact value, the remainder is what? 6. It will be multiplied with 9. That 76.6 into 9, that is 54 bar. Whatever may be the remainder, if you want to find the exact value, if the remainder is 2 here, 2 will be multiplied with 9. If the remainder is 7 here, 7 will be multiplied with 9. And the product, 6 into 9, 54. The product will be after decimal and you have to put a bar over this. Remember I told to you division by 9 already we have done earlier, and that is also non-terminating recurring decimal. Here also division by 11 also that type of answer will come. Suppose you are doing the real division by using real division method, so that type of answer will come. Non-terminating repeating decimal, the exact answer is 76.54 bar, but 76.6 also it is the correct answer. So one or two more number we will do so that you can get easily. Suppose any 4-digit number 5943 divided by 11. So first what I have to do, I have to separate the digit. Now what, 9 is greater than 5, so 9 minus 5 possible. So simply I will keep 5, 9 minus 5 4. Now 4 is equal to 4, no problem. 4 minus 4 possible 0. Now 0 is less than 3, so subtraction possible, so 3. Now what I am having, if you want approximate value, then you have to write 540.3. This is the approximate value. Otherwise, if you want the exact value, then what you have to do? Last one is the remainder. I always told in the previous number also. 3 into 9 you have to do. 3 into 9. That means 540. 3 into 9 how much? 27. 27 bar. And if you are multiplying the n digit, means the remainder with 9, then you have to write the product after decimal and you have to put a bar over it. Remember? And for me, this value is the exact one, and if you get this properly, you have to go through this method. This is more proper. This is proper as compared to this, but 540.3 also, that is also correct. One more number we will do. Suppose 8, 5, 4, 0 divided by 11. So first what we have to do, we have to separate the digits. Okay. Now what I have to do, 8 is greater than 5, so what I can give 1, so that this 5 will become 15. And because we have given 1 here, so 8 will turn to 7. Now 15 minus 7 is possible. This 15, 8 turn to 7, so 15 minus 7 is possible. Okay. Now it is 8. Now 8 is greater than 4. Again I have to donate 1. So this one 4 will become 14, and this 8 will turn to 7. Now 14 minus 7 it is possible. 14 minus 7 possible, that is 7. But 0 is less than 7. Again I have to give 1. 10. 10 minus this 7 will turn to 6. Remember, whenever you are giving 1, then take the reduced value. That means here I have given 1, so 8 reduced to 7, so I subtract 7 here. That means the product is 15 minus 7, that is 8. 8 reduced to 7, so 7 I subtract here. And thereafter 7 reduced to 6, so 6 will be subtracted, that means 4. Now the end digits only you have to take, that means this one. This part you have to take. Answer is what? What is the answer? That 776.4. This is the approximate answer. Otherwise, what you can do? This is the remainder into 9. 776.94, 36, 36 bar. This is the answer. So, this is all about division by 11. You can take the screenshots also. One more number I will discuss, 5-digit number. Nine, 4, 3, 8, 5. So what we have to do here, first we have to separate the digits. 9 minus 4 not possible. So we have to give 1, that means 4 will become 14 and 9 will turn to 8. So 14 minus 8, that is 6. Now this 6 is greater than 3. Again we have to give 1, 3 will turn to 13 and 6 reduced to 5. And because we have given 1 here, so 13 minus 5, 8. Now you can see 8, 8 same number, so subtraction possible. 8 minus 8, 0. Now 0 is less than 5, so 5 minus 0 is also possible, so here 5. So what will be the answer? Remember always the n digits you have to take. Here 2 digits involved, so 5 I have to take. That means answer is 8580.5. This is approximate answer. Otherwise, with the remainder you have to multiply 9. As I told to you earlier, 8580.5 into 9, 45 bar. That's because 1 by 9 is 0.09 bar, and 2 by 9 is 0.18 bar, 3 by 9 is 0.27 bar, 4 by 9 is 0.36 bar, 5 by 9 is 0.45 bar, 6 by 9 is 0.54 bar, 7 by everyone 11 should be the denominator. 1 by 11, 2 by 11, 3 by 11, 4 by 11. That means 1 by 11 here, 2 by 11, 3 by 11, 4 by 11, 5 by 11, and 6 by 11, 7 by 11, that is 0.63 bar, 8 by 11, 0.72 bar, 9 by 11, that is 0.9981 bar, 10 by 11, 0.90 bar. In some numbers, remainder 10, it can come also. So in that case, you have to use this method. That means you have to multiply with 9. If the remainder is coming 10 here, don't write 0.10. Then you have to multiply with 9. So 10 by 11, if the remainder is coming 10, then 0.90 bar it will be. So that's why I told you this second method is important, and exact value also you can get by using this method. So this is the end of division by 11. Hope you all will understand this. Thank you for watching.